We can express the percentage of a solution in following ways. Percentage mass in volume or mass by volume. Percentage volume in volume or volume by volume. Percentage mass in mass or mass by mass. Instead of the word mass, we can use the word weight. Then we have to use, instead of first formula, percentage weight by volume. Instead of third formula, we have to use percentage weight by weight. There's a small problem here. Now let's discuss it. What's the mass volume percent of 14.8 grams of NaCl dissolved in water to make a solution of 130 milliliters? What's the mass volume percent of 14.8 grams of NaCl dissolved in water to make a solution of 130 milliliters? Mass of the solute should be taken in grams and volume of the solution should be taken in milliliters. Here we can use this formula: percentage mass by volume equals mass of solute in grams divided by volume of solution in milliliters multiplied by 100. We know mass of the solute 14.8 grams and we know volume of the solution 130 milliliters. Then 14.8 grams divided by 130 milliliters multiplied by 100. By simplifying this, we can get our answer 11.38, our answer. Next problem. What's the mass volume percent when dissolving 120 grams of NaCl into water to make 2.00 liters of solution? What's the mass volume percent when dissolving 120 grams of NaCl into water to make 2.00 liters of solution? 2.00 liters means 2.2 liters. We have to convert 2.00 liters to milliliters because mass of the solute should be taken in grams and volume of the solution should be taken in milliliters. 2.00 liters multiplied by 1000, then we get 2000 milliliters. Here we can use this formula: percentage mass by volume equals mass of solute in grams divided by volume of solution in milliliters multiplied by 100. We know mass of the solute 120 grams. 120 grams. And we know volume of the solution 2.00 liters mean 2000 milliliters. Then 120 grams divided by 2000 milliliters multiplied by 100. By simplifying this, we can get our answer percentage 6. Next problem. Calculate the concentration in mass volume percent when dissolved in 0.5 kilograms of NaCl into a certain amount of water to make a solution of 5.0 liters. Calculate the concentration in mass volume percent when dissolved in 0.5 kilograms of NaCl into a certain amount of water to make a solution of 5.0 liters. Here we have been given mass of the solute in kilograms. First of all, we have to convert these 0.5 kilograms to grams. And we have been given volume of the solution in liters. We have to convert this 5.0 liters to milliliters. So 0.5 kilograms of NaCl multiplied by 1000, we get 500 grams of NaCl. 5.0 liters of solution multiplied by 1000, we get 5000 milliliters of solution. Here we can use this formula. Percentage mass by volume equals mass of solute in grams divided by volume of solution in milliliters multiplied by 100. Now we can substitute values. Percentage mass by volume equals mass of solute 500 grams and volume of solution 5000 milliliters. Then 500 grams divided by 5000 milliliters multiplied by 100. Then we get our answer percentage 10. There was some small problem in this video. In next video, we can discuss more difficult problems. Let's solve more difficult problems in our next videos. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe our channel. God bless you.